Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to learn DIY home renovation, easy method. Start by assessing rooms and making a concise checklist of repairs, then set a realistic budget and pick one starter project. Gather basic tools, learn safety steps, and practice a small task like patching drywall or replacing a faucet. Track time and costs, and gradually take on more complex jobs as confidence and skills grow. Warm up with core skills that unlock most renovation work, like measuring accurately, cutting straight, and fastening materials securely. Spend focused time on one skill until you feel confident, then combine two skills in a small project. Use guides, short tutorials, and practice pieces to reduce mistakes. Build a reference list of go-to tools and techniques so each new task feels manageable and predictable. If you're enjoying these tips, please subscribe and like to support more practical guides and tutorials. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated on the job with the Oala water bottle, which seals well, fits most cup holders, and keeps water cold through long work sessions, perfect for painting or sanding breaks. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab one if it helps your workflow. Now let's get back to the video. Plan every project in phases so you can see progress and avoid overwhelm, starting with demo, prep, installation, and finish. Estimate time and costs realistically and include a 10% contingency for unexpected issues. Factor curing and drying times into schedules to prevent rework, and arrange materials and tools before you begin. This rhythm keeps momentum steady and reduces stress while improving final results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.